Hi everyone, so I want to do an unboxing and also a mini review of this kit right here that I got from Burano. This is their poly extension gel kit and it's the glowing in the dark edition. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and then try out this kit together and see how it is. I don't know how the lighting is. I'm doing this outside because I don't have my lighting equipment, so I'm trying to use natural daylight. So if the lighting shifts in and out, sorry, because I'm filming outside. So here's the kit. By the way, I'm using my phone to record this video, so we'll see how it is. Here's what comes in a kit. There's a little cart. Came with this, and it looks like you get a 1-year replacement insurance on this kit. Good to know. And then here you got some nail forms. And these are the poly gel kit. So I'm going to set these aside. We'll do the swatches of all this shades later. But these, I believe these are just different shades. So this looks like there's 8 tubes of these poly gel colors that came with this. And there's some cute nail art. It has stars and moons. That's pretty cool. And we got a brush that came with this. Get a brush, and then the other side, I believe it's just a little spatula. And here I have a little cup. So this kit literally have everything you need to do your nails. So this is where you would put your, cleaner and stuff like that, all your liquid stuff in here. And then you got some dual forms. There's 12 size in here. There's an instruction card. And then you got some nail tips. I love that this kit includes everything. This is amazing. And then here you got your 3-in-1 effect base coat. This is can use as a base coat, nail glue, or slip solution. Good to know. That's that one right there. Then we got the top coat. And then I got a nail file that came with this. This is 100 and 180. Alright, so let's set this out and let's go ahead and do our nails. So here are the shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the beautiful shades that came with it. So I think I want to do the last 6 shades on my nails. So let's do this. Right, so for the sake of this review, I'm going to follow the instruction that came with the kit. So the instruction told me that I should use this one right here, the 3-in-1 effect base coat as the slip solution. So we're going to follow through with that. So I kind of treat my nails already, so I don't need to do that. And then it's to apply a layer of 3-in-1 base coat, cure in the lamp for 2 minutes. So we'll go ahead and do that. It's 2 minutes. I'm assuming that's for regular lamp, but for LED maybe it doesn't need to be cured for 2 minutes. But I'm just gonna do it anyway. This is a little bit tacky to be using for slip solution, but we'll follow what's it say. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the nail tips because the nail tips will fit my nails better. So this is for Pinky. go ahead. I'm not going to be too concerned of keeping this on for long because I want to pop this off later on. So if you want it to stay on longer, make sure you prep your nail tips correctly. I would go in and, you know, file down here so it has something to grip on for the base coat to grip on, and then that way it'll adhere to your nails better. So for this reason, I'm not going to actually prep my nail tips. I'm just going to go ahead and attach a nail tip to my nails. So just apply a little bit of the 3-in-1 in there. It's right on the base like I did, and then just press it on your nails. And I like to leave a little bit of a gap right here in between where my cuticle and the tip is, because I don't like it like that. There's some air bubbles in here, so you want to make sure that you press it on good so there's no air bubbles. So we'll do that and then flash cue it. I'm racing against the time, guys, so I'm going to do this really quickly because I'm filming outside and looks like it's about to rain, like literally. So I know this is not the best nail tips application ever because as you can see, there's air bubbles everywhere, but like I said, this is not gonna stay on for long. I want this to just pop off in a few days, so we'll count this as a good. All right, so I went ahead and clipped my nails to the length that I like, and I actually reshaped them so they're not coffin anymore. They're more like an oval shape. And I hope my lighting is okay because I had to move into inside and I'm using like a, you know, I don't have my lighting set up. So this is what we have. We're gonna have to work with what we got. So here is what my nails looks like now. And as you can see, there's a bunch of air bubbles in here, but I'm not too worried about it because like I said, I'm not planning on having this on for long. So let's go ahead and do our nails. I'm actually going to pour a little bit of this in here because this is what I would have used to, you know, remove the sticky residue from my nails. Just put a little bit of that in there, like that. Going to go ahead and wet my brush a little bit with this lip solution. So the brush is wet now. So let's go ahead and apply this directly to my nails. I think this should be good. Might be a little bit too much, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and smooth it out. So even though this is like thick, it's very easy to spread this around, and kind of like once I'm done spreading, it's kind of set by itself. I don't know if you notice or you can tell, but it looks like it's level out by itself, almost like self-setting. This is pretty cool. I think I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that real quick. Wow, guys, I'm pretty impressed right now. Look how nice it looks already. And I didn't even have to file it down to smooth it. It's like level out by itself. The Macart one, it's super sticky, and like even after the application, I will have to go in and smooth it out. But this one doesn't. Like I don't have to smooth it out at all. Okay, I'm pretty impressed right now. cute, guys. All right, I'm super duper happy right now. I think I'm going to put some nail arts, the one that came with the kit itself, those glow in the dark one, these right here. See if we can put a little bit of this on my nails. All right, so here's what my nail looks like. How cool is this? Let me go ahead and close this because I don't want this to dry out. But yeah, guys, I'm super impressed. I mean, I could have done a better job in those placement of the nail art stuff. But in terms of the poly gel kit, I'm pretty impressed. And let's see if it's actually glow in the dark. So let me turn off the light. You guys are ready for this? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yo, it's glowing. Whoa. Back on. Wow. All right, I'm pretty impressed. I'm super happy. So what's my final thought, at least first impression wise, of this whole kit? It's exceed my expectation. I don't have much hope for this because I really like the Macart kit. So when I first opened this up, I was just like, oh, this might not be as good, but we're gonna give it a try anyway. But once I've done it, I'm super impressed. I'm almost liking this better than Macart. The only thing that I would have to say is if you use this kit, if you do want to purchase this and use this, you kind of have to work a little bit quick, just because the poly gel itself, it's kind of self-setting, self-leveling, so you don't have a lot of time to mess around with it. Once you apply it, once you smooth it out, you want to go ahead and cue it, because if you don't cue it, it'll go into keep smoothing and level itself out, and then you'll lose the shape of the nails that you want it to be. I feel like if you use it with nail form, it's probably better, because that way it stay in the shape of the nail form. But I'm going to keep using this with the nail form, not the dual form. I meant, when I say nail form earlier, I meant the dual form. If you use the dual form, it might be yield better result, and it's probably faster than me smoothing this out. But in terms of the poly gel kit itself, it looks super nice. I'm really happy how well it turned out. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys check this out if you haven't already. And you got the whole set. You got your poly gel, you got your top coat, base coat, you got this little thing that came with it, very useful, and the brush. So yeah, you don't really have to purchase anything else. The whole kit come with all you need in order to do your nail art. So yeah, and I don't know if you noticed, but I did not have to do any e-file, just because this is like leveling itself, so it's pretty nice and smooth. I mean, definitely if you want to do like having an apex or anything, you have to work really quickly. I don't know if you can get like a super C-curve apex with this, but as for me, I like something more natural like this. So this is great for me. So yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. And if you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, of course, and follow me on Instagram at Simply Savan. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye!